Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another review or tutorial about one of my favorite apps for my iPhone. I think it's available for Android as well. The app is called CutStory, and if you are posting a lot on Instagram, it's a really useful app. Because, as you might know, if you upload something to IGTV, you're restricted to 15 minutes per clip. If you would like to upload something on your Instagram story, you're limited to a 15-second clip. However, you are now able to upload a sequence or a clip of 1 minute, and Instagram, the automatic Instagram story uploader, will cut it into 15-second clips. If your video is longer than 1 minute, let's say 1 minute and 5 seconds, you're missing 5 seconds of that clip, the last 5 seconds. So basically, Instagram will upload everything until 1 minute, and the rest is just cut it out and you don't have it on your Instagram story. However, if you would like to upload a video which is about 2 minutes long, I have this nice app for you. So if you would like to upload a clip which is longer than 1 minute, or let's say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, doesn't matter. This app cuts this entire scene into 15-second clips. And then you will be able to upload each clip, which is only 15 seconds long, into a sequence of Instagram, which basically shows the entire film. This app is also pretty cool because if you record something in landscape mode, you can turn it onto the Instagram format and everyone is just able to view it in landscape mode. Pretty cool stuff, so enjoy this review and tutorial. So ladies and gentlemen, I recorded 2 clips for you. One which is 1 minute and 11 seconds long, and the other one is 1 minute and 13 seconds long. This one here is in landscape mode and the other one is in vertical mode. That's the app I was speaking about, CutStory. I will link it also in the video description below, and if I find it for Android, I will post it as well. So let's go for it. I don't know why it always wants to connect to the iTunes store, but there we go. Let's tap on videos, recent, and let's take the one in landscape mode first. There are tons of options. You can change the background, you can add a text, you can add a logo, which costs a lot of money in my opinion. It wants to charge me about 33 or 34 euro a year, which is completely useless. I guess there are better apps which you just pay once and then you can paste a logo onto your video if you want to. Stickers. I've never tried this one, but I guess there are better ones on Instagram as well. You can add music, and that's the important part. So I recorded this video in landscape mode. If you would like to upload it just to your normal Instagram profile and not into your story, you can make a 1:1 format out of it, 16:9 or 9/16, which is basically the format everyone is watching Instagram stories on. Let's choose this one. Go on editor and then you can trim it. You can select another speed. So if you want to run it slower or even faster, you can do it like here. You can rotate it, you can flip it, you can copy this clip, but the most important part here is to rotate it. That's the direction I was recording this video to. Tap on layout and then you can make it even bigger so it fits perfectly onto your screen. Like this. So that's a landscape recorded material. Tap on the arrow down here. Tap another time down here in the corner, and that's the important part now. So as I said, just go back for a second, the video length is 1 minute and 10 seconds. I know it was displaying 1 minute and 11 seconds, doesn't really matter. Tap on here. And now you can tell the app how long this video scene should be. As you see, an Instagram story is 15 seconds long, Facebook story 20 seconds, WhatsApp story 30 seconds, IGTV. So if you have a clip which is 30 minutes long and you tap on IGTV, it will make 2 clips out of it. Each one 15 minutes long. TikTok 60 seconds, Snapchat 10 seconds, or you can have the option to take 1 minute. However, I figured out, and I guess that's a software issue which comes inside the app. So if I have a video which is about 3 minutes long and I tap on 1 minute, it would produce 3 clips, which makes it more easy for me because once I go on Instagram, I will upload 3 clips, each 1 minute long, and it will cut it automatically into 15-second parts. Sometimes I do have the impression that there's something missing in between, something like 1 or 2 seconds. So I try to avoid this part down here and I go for Instagram, 15 seconds. Now the video is processed by this app and it will cut it. So this video takes 1 minute, 11 seconds into 5 parts. 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, and the rest 10 seconds. Go to your library. As you can see, this video scene, landscape mode, 1 minute, 10 seconds long. Now we have it in smartphone mode, so everyone has to flip its phone and then you have it on a big screen, yeah? See, 15, 15, 15, 15, and this one is 10 seconds long. I took another scene for you, which is this one here. It's 1 minute and 13 seconds long. Tap on it, and that's already in smartphone mode. So it's pretty simple. Tap down here, choose 15 seconds, and then it says don't minimize the application while processing video in progress. Same story, it will cut it now in 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, and 13 seconds. Since this clip was already taken in smartphone mode, the app will just cut it into 15-second parts. Then you can upload it without rotating the clip in any direction. Go to Instagram and then take one file after the other, and then it's one entire scene. It doesn't matter if your video was 1 hour long or 30 minutes long or even just 2 minutes long. You have now one entire video, cut it into 15-second parts. So I hope you've learned something. If you have any further questions, please make sure to post a comment below. If I found something more interesting for your Instagram stories, I'm pretty sure I'll do another review. So all the best from Frankfurt, Germany, and see you soon.